You know that leaders can be created through rigorous training. They play a significant role in communicating the vision and mission of their team. The leaders only ensure that the competencies of the entire team are leading. To ensure shared leadership, it is imperative to join leadership training workshops in Dubai. The learning skills help to boost the decision-making power to meet the challenges. To meet business challenges, leadership training should be demonstrated. The leaders must assure potential growth in your business, making it flawless. As a trained leader, you can gauge the success rate of your business easily. Then, are you thinking about where to get the training? Contact Promise Training and Consultancy in Dubai. We are a leading organization that will set the platform of your business. You would learn to manage people, tackle societal issues, and find advanced opportunities. So join Promise Training and Consultancy to reap benefits in your organization. For any query, email at info@promisetrainingglobal.com.